Gemini CLI now has subagents, specialized expert agents that run alongside your primary session with their own context windows, their own tools, and their own MCP servers. 3 built-in agents ship out of the box. You can create custom agents with a Markdown file. They run in parallel, and everything they do gets consolidated into a single summary, no context pollution in your main session. Subagents are isolated task handlers that operate alongside your primary Gemini CLI session. Published on the Google Developers blog on April 15, 2026, by Jack Wotherspoon and Abhi Patel, this feature transforms Gemini CLI from a single-agent tool into a multi-agent orchestration system. The key insight is separation of concerns. Your primary agent becomes a strategic orchestrator. It focuses on the overall goal, makes high-level decisions, and coordinates work. When it encounters a task that requires specialized expertise, a deep code base investigation, a batch refactoring job, a front-end audit, it delegates to the most relevant subagent. Each subagent operates with its own separate context window, so it doesn't consume tokens from your main conversation. It has its own custom system instructions, so it can be tuned for specific domains. And it has its own curated set of tools and MCP servers, meaning you can give a subagent access to capabilities that the primary agent doesn't need. When the subagent finishes its work, which might involve dozens of tool calls, file searches, or test runs, the entire execution gets consolidated into a single response back to the main agent. This prevents what the blog calls context rot and context pollution, the gradual degradation of conversation quality as the context window fills with intermediate steps and noise. The result is that your main session stays fast, focused, and cost-effective even on complex multi-step projects. Let's look at the official announcement from the Google Developers blog. The post is well structured. It walks through the motivation for subagents, the 3 built-in agents, the configuration format, and parallel execution with practical examples. The authors Jack Wotherspoon from Developer Advocacy and Abhi Patel from Engineering provide both the why and the how. The announcement positions subagents as Gemini CLI's answer to a fundamental problem in agentic coding. How do you handle complex, multifaceted projects without drowning the agent in context? The answer is specialization and isolation. Gemini CLI ships with 3 subagents out of the box. The generalist is a general-purpose agent with full tool access. It handles batch refactoring, high-volume output tasks, and anything that needs broad capabilities. Use it for tasks like updating license headers across an entire project, or refactoring patterns across multiple files. The Kleiner Help agent is an expert specifically on Gemini CLI features with access to the documentation. Instead of the primary agent trying to remember every CLI feature and flag, CLI Help can provide authoritative answers about configuration, commands, and capabilities. The Codebase Investigator is specialized for deep code exploration, architectural mapping, bug root cause analysis, dependency understanding, and flow tracing. When you need to understand how authentication works across your codebase, or trace a data flow through multiple services, the investigator handles it without polluting your main context with hundreds of file reads and grep results. All 3 are immediately available. Run doc agents in your session to see them listed. You can invoke any of them explicitly with the auxiliary syntax. A generalist update all copyright headers, a codebase ISO investigator map out the authentication flow. Or let Gemini CLI automatically route tasks based on the subagent descriptions. The isolation model is what makes subagents genuinely useful, rather than just a naming convenience. When the primary agent delegates to a subagent, that subagent starts with a clean context window. It receives the specific task description from the primary agent, but none of the conversation history, file contents, or intermediate results that have accumulated in the main session. This means the subagent's context window is entirely dedicated to the delegated task. No noise, no irrelevant information, no wasted tokens on context that doesn't apply. The subagent then executes independently. It can make dozens of tool calls, reading files, searching code, running tests, without any of those intermediate steps appearing in the main agent's context. When it finishes, the entire execution is compressed into a single consolidated summary that gets returned to the primary agent. The primary agent gets the answer without the overhead. This solves a real problem that anyone who has used agentic coding tools for extended sessions has experienced. After enough tool calls and file reads, the context window fills up, the agent starts forgetting earlier instructions, responses get slower and more expensive, and quality degrades. Subagents reset this dynamic by giving each specialized task its own fresh context space. Creating a custom subagent is a Markdown file with YAML front matter. You place it in Gemini agents for personal workflows, or Gemini.agents in your project directory for shared team configurations. The front matter defines the agent's name, a description that Gemini CLI uses for automatic routing, the list of available tools, and the model configuration, which defaults to inherit from the parent. The Markdown body contains natural language system instructions that define the agent's role, principles, and behavioral constraints. The blog post includes a full example of a front-end specialist subagent with instructions covering architecture principles, core web vitals optimization, WCAG accessibility compliance, browser-native API prioritization, atomic design patterns, and progressive enhancement methodology. The tools array controls exactly what capabilities each subagent has: red file, grep search, glob, list directory, web fetch, Google Web Search, and any MCP servers you've configured. You can restrict a subagent to read-only tools for analysis tasks, or give it full write access for implementation work. The explicit constraint in the front-end example is telling. It says your role is strictly to analyze and suggest, do not fix it yourself. This demonstrates how system instructions shape subagent behavior to match your workflow. Some agents investigate, others implement. Gemini CLI supports parallel subagents. You can spin off multiple subagents or many instances of the same subagent simultaneously. This is where the productivity multiplier becomes dramatic. Instead of sequentially auditing each package in a monorepo, you can tell Gemini CLI to run the front-end specialist on each package in parallel. Each instance gets its own context window, its own tool execution, and returns its own summary independently. The blog includes an important warning. Parallel execution is not recommended for heavy code editing tasks. When multiple subagents are modifying the same files simultaneously, they can create conflicts and overwrite each other's changes. Parallel execution works best for read-heavy tasks, analysis, investigation, auditing, research, where each subagent is examining different parts of the code base without modifying them. The blog also notes that parallel operations accelerate rate limit consumption. If you spin off 5 subagents simultaneously, you're making 5 times the API calls, and you'll hit your rate limits 5 times faster. For teams on usage-based billing, this is an important cost consideration. The combination of specialization, isolation, and parallelism creates a genuine multi-agent workflow inside a terminal. The primary agent plans, delegates, and synthesizes, while specialized agents execute domain-specific work concurrently. Using subagent starts with the agent's command to see what's available. You can explicitly delegate with the Are syntax, iCode base investigator followed by your task description, or you can let Gemini CLI automatically route based on task relevance. If you describe a task that matches a subagent's description, Gemini CLI delegates automatically without you needing to specify which agent. For custom subagents, create a Markdown file in Gemini agents with the front matter and instructions, and it's immediately available in your next session. Project-level subagents go in .Gemini agents and travel with your repository, so the whole team gets the same specialized agents. Extensions can also bundle subagents in their agents directory. The workflow is straightforward. Describe what you need, let the orchestrator delegate, review the consolidated results. The subagent handles the complexity while your main session stays clean. That's Gemini CLI Subagents, specialized parallel agents with isolated context windows, custom tools, and MCP server support. 3 built-in, infinite custom via Markdown config. Blog post and documentation links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI developer tool coverage.